Hey everyone, Gil or graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about securing things. Basically what I'm talking about is securing things so they're earthquake, tornado, and hurricane proof, or hurricane resistant or secure. Okay, shelving units, get those all, wire rack shelving units, make sure they're secured to the wall. If you have a display case for China and stuff, make sure the cabinet doors are secured. Make sure the knickknacks and stuff in there, you use what's called museum putty to make sure they stick to the shelves. They don't vibrate around and bounce off and bounce into each other. Make sure your regular cupboard doors have the little latches on them. So you pull it out, it opens up about an inch or so, you just reach in, you hit the little release, and it opens the rest of the way open. Yes, some of these things can be a little annoying, having to do that, but after a while, you just get in the habit of, and it opens right up. It also makes things a little bit more childproof too. Walk around your house, check for things. If you're like some people, they like to put pictures up above the bed in the bedroom there. Make sure they're secure so they don't bounce off against the wall and then fall down on top of you, or the glass that's in the front of the picture frame breaks and falls on you. And not just those pictures that are above the bed, all picture frames. Make sure they're all secured so they don't move around and bounce off and come crashing down. Check everything, things on fireplace mantles. Just walk around the house, take time, look at what could move, vibrate, bounce around during an earthquake, tornado, or hurricane. Now granted, if your house gets hit by a tornado and it goes right through it, there's not much you can do about it. But just the fact that it's going by a low ways away and the house is shaking, just from the high winds and stuff. And same thing with hurricanes, with the rain and the wind hitting the house and just making it shake and vibrate. You want to make sure that things stay put and don't wind up coming down. All right? So, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill every month and grow some fresh vegetables.